Hello everyone. Children, today we will continue our lesson 11 from one end to the other. And today's topics are waterways, canal and aviation. So let's begin with waterways. Waterways. About three-fourths of the earth is covered with water. In ancient times, boats were developed for navigation and fishing. However, with the development of civilization, larger vessels were developed for trade and war. During the Industrial Revolution, steamboats were developed, and later diesel powered ships were also invented. Nowadays, luxury liners, tankers, and freighters are being used to take goods and people from one place to another. People traveling in luxury liners and cruise ships get all the necessary services. Oil is transported in oil tankers to different parts of the world, while freighters carry huge amounts of food, machines, and timber. Cargo ships are used to ferry heavy cargo, and waterways are used on a large scale by countries across the world. This is because they are the most economical means of transport and also need relatively lower maintenance. The South Atlantic route and North Atlantic route are important waterways of the world. The former connects Europe and South America, and the latter connects Europe and North America. Inland waterways are also important as they help a lot in transportation. Now, next is canal. A canal is a waterway that is constructed by humans for transporting people, ships, and goods. Transporting goods by a ship is cheaper as compared to roadways and airways. The Suez Canal, which is 163 kilometers long in Egypt, links two seas, the Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Earlier, ships traveling from Europe to the Middle East had to go around Africa. However, after the opening of the Suez Canal, this traveling time has been reduced by almost half, and the Panama Canal connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. The canal is about 50 kilometers long. Its constructions began in 1881 by the French but was later abandoned as the digging had to be done through a long stretch of hot disease infested jungle. The canal was completed in 1914 by the United States of America. Almost 56,307 people were involved in its construction. Now, next is aviation. I am Wing Commander Ajay, and I am going to take you through an interesting journey to the world of aviation. The first form of man-made flying objects were kites, which were invented by the Chinese in 400 BC. This was followed by hydrogen balloons in the 17th and the 18th century. Did you know that Leonardo da Vinci designed the ornithopter, that is a wing flapping aircraft that resembled the anatomy of the bird. After him, many inventions were made. However, it was only in 1903 the Wright brothers invented an aeroplane, and it was named the Flyer, and the flight lasted for about 12 seconds, covering a distance of 230 meters. Today, I am amazed to see the supersonic planes carrying 100 passengers, cargo, perishable items, and traveling across seas and continents. These days, all important cities of the world are linked by air, and airways are the fastest and the most expensive means of transport. So, children, today we have completed our chapters, and in the next session, we will do our back exercises. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.